Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I have a cute little project share and this is just going to be so cute. So I made a loaded suitcase memory decks card. I also filmed a tutorial on how I put this together and stuff, so I'm not sure if that video is up beforehand or after this video. But if it is up beforehand, I will link it down below. Otherwise, just keep an eye out for that video. But it's a cute little suitcase, guys. I had decorated this and everything. It's a memory decks card. I had put back here, made for you by KarolinasKrafts. Here's a little memory decks card. It's very sturdy. I layered together, I think 2 or 3 pieces of 110-pound cardstock. You guys hear that? It's super sturdy. So that's that. And yeah, it's a cute little suitcase. So here we have just like some layers. So the bow is where it kind of opens up. So I have a bow with a little gemmy and some Nuvo drops on the side. Here I have this little pinwheel with a Nuvo drop. I have these little leaves underneath here and some eyelash trim in the rose gold because everything seems to be rose gold in this. I had put a border around this in like a pearl trim. And here I added in a little butterfly, put some gemmies, and then I have the sentiment that says leave a little magic everywhere you go. And these were just printed ones that I had print from my computer and layered on top of here. And they look really cute. So this is a functional memory decks card. You could put anything on the back. You could put like your information and stuff. I don't know, sometimes people ask for you guys to put like what you like, what you don't like, what your crafty style is on the back. So if you're doing this for like that kind of occasion, I mean, feel free to put anything on the back. But yeah, so this opens up. I had put Velcro underneath the little straps here. There's a little Velcro dot, and these are just little Velcro dots that I picked up from Walmart. I had used the black Velcro dots or Velcro squares in the video tutorial, but I just changed it to these white ones because I like it better, and I just picked some up from Walmart. So I think it's just more fitting. Let me show you guys a close-up of the pearl trim. So yeah, I layered the pearl trim all around here. The side of my box is like this mirror board paper, same with the top and everything. But isn't it all so gorgeous? Look at this. Look at the little bits and pieces. I think it's so stinking cute. And then when you open this up, you have a layered embellishment. So I created this for a swap from the loaded envelope and galore, something loaded, I don't know, something like that. I will have the name of the Facebook group down below, but it is a Facebook group where you just do swaps and things like that. So it's super fun to enter and swap. So they require you to like create your project and you post a picture and then they pair you up, which is great because it's also according to kind of like, I guess, skill level. Like you don't want to create something so nice and then get something that's, you know, beginner stage back where it's just like one layer, you know. I totally agree that everyone needs to start somewhere. It's just, you know, you would be disappointed if you put in so much time and effort into like a project and then you got something where somebody literally just slapped on a sticker onto a rosette or something, you know? So anyway, here is my embellishment that is inside the box. I used a rose gold crepe paper rosette. I had purchased these from, I forgot who. If I could figure that out on my Instagram, I'll let you guys know. But I purchased it on Instagram, either from April or, I don't know, might have been April, I'm not sure. So I have this rose gold crepe paper rosette in the back. I had layered some of this ribbon on top and then some of this green ribbon as well. Then on top of that, I have the stitched heart that's popped up on some foam, and that's the same pattern I used for this paper. It's the same pattern that I used in the front and the back of my my little suitcase. It is quite chunky and it just fits in the suitcase, which is great because that's what they wanted for the Facebook group. Then I had put down this rosette that I had created with the same collection of paper from here. But all of these chipboard pieces, these are actually from the Willow Lane collection. So all the chipboard is from this collection by Maggie Holmes, which is Willow Lane. I used the little birdie. I used this like gold thing. I used this little flag here. And I used a sentiment here. And then this little flower piece. So those are from the Willow Lane chipboard collection. Alright, so back to my layers. Here's that rosette. Then you have this gold piece that I just showed you guys on the chipboard sheet. I used that, but I had broken it by accident, which ended up being a happy accident because then I was able to like have it show here and then a little bit on this side as well. So I had it split into two and I was able to like piece it together that way. Then I layered this little flag on top that I showed you guys. Then I added some more foam. Then I added this like thread back here and then the flower. And then I layered the little birdie on top and then this sentiment that says spread love. And then I also used some pink paisley enamel dots. So they come in different shapes. There's like enamel dots and then like these little like star thingies and these little like arrow things. Oh, and I also used a star chipboard down here from the same Willow Lane collection. So I added in like a little gemmy there, like a little star, and then one on the flower here. I used that little arrow one here, and I think it just like helped make this part stand out a little bit. And I used another little pink gemmy right here on the heart. And yeah, that's my layered embellishment, and it literally fits perfectly in here. If I had added in one more layer, it wouldn't fit. So it literally just has its perfect little home in here, and I think it matches so well. I wish there was more blues and stuff in that collection, since I feel like there's more blues on the outside of the you know, of the memory decks card and my little suitcase, but I do think it still all works together. The only other thing I was thinking is maybe changing out this butterfly for a chipboard piece, but that means I would have to take everything apart and I would have to change these things. I mean, maybe I could still change the bows. That's not a problem. I could probably take those off and the gemmies and layer like another color on top. I mean, maybe if I did that, it would take away some of the blues that are in here. Maybe. I'm not sure. But overall, I'm really happy with how this project had turned out. Like, I made the whole SVG file for this little suitcase, and then, you know, I put it together and I made this little embellishment, and I think it all just came together and it's so stinking cute. So that is my project share, and it is going out to, I don't know who, but as soon as I have a partner, it will go out to that person. But it is part of that Facebook group, so I will link it down below, and if you guys want to join, I mean, feel free to do so. It is such a fun group. They always do so many fun swaps, and yeah. So that is it, guys, for my project share for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will have that other video linked down below of how I made the memory decks card if it's already up, and that's something you definitely want to watch, whether it's up or not yet. If it's not up yet, just keep an eye out for it, because you can actually get the memory decks card file for free from me, because I created a silhouette file. So if you have a silhouette machine, you can get that file, and then I also tell you guys how you could get the Cricut file if you have a Cricut instead. So, and then there's also a video of how you could actually create it by hand. So either way, guys, you guys have options if you want to create this loaded suitcase memory decks card. And yeah, that's gonna be it for today's video. I thank you guys so much for watching, for supporting my crafty journey, and I hope you guys like this little project share, since I showed you guys how to make it, but I never showed you guys like the finished thing, so I wanted to make sure to show you guys how I embellished it, decorated it, and what I put inside of it. So alright, thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you guys in my next crafty video. Alright guys, so after I signed off the video to, you know, after I said bye, I decided I would actually change up the embellishments on here, and I like it so much better. I really didn't like that yellow butterfly. I didn't think it went with it at all. There was like nothing else that was yellow. But I kept the flowers underneath here, and then I added in some chipboard and some gold thread. I changed these bows to be like a rose gold, and I added a little gemmy on top, so they're no longer that turquoise. I just layered another white paper on top. You guys could still see like that turquoise underneath, but I couldn't rip it all apart because, you know, it was all stuck down with glue. So some paper was peeling up, but I did what I could to change this, and I added in the little butterfly. This now says happy, happy. I have this little floral thing and a heart on top, and I just like it so much better. I just want you guys to know that a lot of the times when you're seeing finished projects, like people did a whole bunch of trial and error. The crafters trialed, and they made trials, not trials, what am I saying? What I'm trying to say is a lot of the time you guys see the completed project, but you guys don't get to see like everything that went into the project. Sometimes people rip things apart like I did here until we made something that we were happy with. So don't be discouraged if you guys make something that you're not proud of. A lot of the times it could still be changed to be edited the way that you like it. So that's all I just wanted to say, and I wanted to show you guys the new and finished completed project. So thank you guys again so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next crafty video. I'll talk to you soon. Bye!